6.5 Eggin and the fuzzbuzzes. Eggin is upset. He picks up his things and puts them into a box. He puts a ribbon on the box. He jumps down from his treehouse and gets his blue umbrella. Now he can go. The buzzard can see Eggin with his box. He is happy to see Eggin go. Now the buzzard can get into the treehouse and stop there. He can sleep there. Eggin is going to the end house. He can see it now. Can you see it? The end house is next to a big dump. The Slinx lives there in a big brown tin. Is Eggin going to see the Slinx? Eggin gets to the house and goes into the garden. The fuzzbuzzes play in this garden. You can see them now. Some of them are in the apple tree. Some of them are jumping on the mattress. This is good fun. The Slinx is out and some of the fuzzbuzzes are in the dump. Can you see a fuzzbuzz in the green van? Can you see a fuzzbuzz with some apples and an orange? Can you see a fuzzbuzz in the black tree with an egg box? He drops an egg. A fuzzbuzz is upset now. Bump! Crack! The buzzard is in the treehouse. You can stop in the garden. The fuzzbuzzes see Eggin Greenback. They come jumping out of the dump. At first, they are happy to see Eggin. The fuzzbuzzes see he is upset, and in the end they get upset. Eggin gets onto the mattress. He goes to sleep. Now the fuzzbuzzes get mad. They are going to get the treehouse back from the buzzard. You get some sleep. First, this fuzzbuzz goes back to the big house. He creeps into the garden. He is next to an apple tree. Now he can see the treehouse. The fuzzbuzz can see some words on the treehouse. They are in red letters. He can read them. The buzzard is in this house. The fuzzbuzz picks up the letter from the garden dump. He writes the words on the back of the letter. The fuzzbuzz can see the buzzard coming back. The buzzard drops down to the treehouse. The fuzzbuzz creeps out of the garden. He is going back to see Eggin. Eggin and the fuzzbuzzes are on the yellow mattress under the apple tree. They read the words on the back of the letter. First, Eggin is upset. Next, he gets mad. Now the fuzzbuzzes are mad. They jump up and down. They are going to play a trick on the buzzard. They go into the house. They get some ink. They draw the treehouse and they draw the buzzard. They write down some words. Can you read them? Things to get: a rock and some ribbon, some apples, some things from the greenhouse, the trick box with the spring, a big egg and an orange. Eggin is happy now. The fuzzbuzzes are good. Eggin can stop with them and see the trick. They are going to get the buzzard out of his garden.